Are you as tired as I am of those pesky little fruit flies turning your beautiful garden into their personal buffet? Well, honey, I've got the perfect solution that'll have you saying bye-bye to those tiny troublemakers. Today, we're making a DIY fruit fly trap that's so simple, so effective, you'll wonder why you didn't try this sooner. And the best part? You probably already have everything you need right in your kitchen. So grab your supplies and let's get started on reclaiming your garden paradise. I'm gonna walk you through every single step, so stick around. Trust me, darling, your plants are gonna thank you for this one. All right, sugar, let's talk about what we're gonna need for this little miracle worker. First up, we need a mason jar or any clear container. This is gonna be our trap's home base. Next, apple cider vinegar. And honey, this is the secret weapon that'll have those flies flying straight to their doom. A few drops of dish soap. This little addition is what makes our trap absolutely deadly for those pests. Some plastic wrap to create our sneaky little entrance. A rubber band to keep everything secure. And finally, a toothpick or skewer for the finishing touch. See? I told you it was simple. Now let's put this bad boy together. Make sure you've got a nice clean workspace, because we're about to get crafty. Now, darling, we're gonna pour about 1 inch of that apple cider vinegar right into our jar. Don't worry about being perfect. Just eyeball it. About 1 inch is plenty. Now here comes the magic ingredient. Just a few drops of that dish soap. This little addition breaks the surface tension, so those flies can't escape once they dive in. Give it just a gentle little swirl. We don't want too many bubbles, just a nice mix. Perfect. Look at that beautiful bait mixture. Those fruit flies won't be able to resist. Now we're gonna set this aside while we work on the trapdoor. Y'all are doing great. We're already halfway to fruit fly freedom. I'm getting excited just thinking about how well this is gonna work in your garden. All right, honey, now we're gonna create the sneakiest little entrance for our uninvited guests. Cut yourself a piece of plastic wrap that's big enough to cover the whole opening with some extra to spare. Now stretch this over the top of your jar nice and tight. We want it smooth as silk. Grab that rubber band and secure it all around the rim. Make sure it's nice and snug. Give it a little test. It should be tight as a drum. Now here's where we get a little devious with our toothpick. Poke a small hole right in the center, just big enough for a fruit fly to squeeze through. Add a few more little holes around it. We want multiple entrances to our fruit fly hotel. Perfect! These holes are just the right size, big enough to get in, but tricky to get out. Look at that beautiful trap. Those fruit flies are gonna walk right into our little surprise. Y'all, we have ourselves a genuine fruit fly elimination device. Now, sugar, placement is everything when it comes to catching these little rascals. Set your trap near areas where you've seen the most activity. Tomatoes, herbs, anywhere with sweet smells. Make sure it's stable and won't tip over when the wind picks up. If you've got a big garden, don't be shy about making multiple traps. The more traps you have, the faster you'll see results. Look at that. Your garden is now armed and ready for battle. Give them a final check to make sure they're all sitting pretty and ready to do their job. And just like that, we're ready to let these little warriors do their work. Step back and admire your handiwork. You've just created the ultimate fruit fly defense system. Within just a few hours, you're gonna start seeing results that'll make you do a happy dance. Look at all those little troublemakers that won't be bothering your plants anymore. Check your traps daily and empty them out when they get full. Refresh that bait mixture every few days to keep it irresistible to new visitors. Before you know it, your garden will be back to its beautiful, pest-free glory, and you'll be enjoying your garden paradise without those pesky little party crashers. Y'all, this simple little DIY solution is gonna change your gardening game forever. No more expensive sprays, no more harsh chemicals, just good old-fashioned ingenuity. Your plants are gonna thank you, and you're gonna love spending time in your garden again. And here's the real secret sauce. Every thriving garden needs a generous sprinkle of love, and maybe a pep talk or two for those stubborn seedlings. So roll up those sleeves, get your hands gloriously dirty, and let your green thumb shine. Got a quirky garden hack or a tip that makes your plants do a happy dance? Share it with us using #Rhokins Homestead on your favorite social media. If you had fun and learned something new, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell, because the garden party is just getting started. Thanks for hanging out with me at Rhokins Homestead, your go-to spot for all things green and growing. Let's dig in and grow together. Happy gardening!